You know the sound. Click, click, click. Cold morning, big day ahead, and the car has other plans. Here's the statistic nobody thinks about until it happens. The battery is the #1 cause of breakdowns, more than tires, more than engines. And here's the part that should annoy you. It's also the most predictable failure a car has. This is the iCarzone MA500. It sees a dying battery weeks before that morning. Let's clamp it on. The box contains exactly 2 things: the MA500 with its battery clamps built in, and a manual. That simplicity is deliberate. There's no internal battery to charge because the unit draws power from the battery it's testing, or the OBD2 port. No app to pair, no account to create. A 2.4-inch display you can read in direct sunlight, physical buttons, and the whole thing weighs less than 160 grams. It disappears into a door pocket and waits, possibly for years, always ready. Using it is one motion. Red clamp on positive, black on negative. The screen lights up, and in under 5 seconds, you're looking at the 3 numbers that define a battery's life. State of health, how much life is left in it. State of charge, how full it is right now. And internal resistance, how far the aging has gone inside. No sparks, no heat, completely passive and safe. And critically, the battery stays right in the car. No unbolting, no hauling it to a parts counter, just to be told what this screen tells you in 5 seconds. A battery can look fine at rest and still fail you. The real exam happens in the half-second you turn the key. That's what the cranking test is for. Put the MA500 in cranking mode, start the engine, and it captures the voltage dip live, right at the moment of maximum stress, then hands down a verdict. A healthy battery barely flinches. A dying one sags deep. And now you have proof, weeks before it strands you. Here's a scenario that drives people crazy. 3 new batteries in a year, all dead. The batteries were never the problem, the thing feeding them was. So the MA500 tests the feeder too. The smart charging system test checks. At idle, whether the alternator is delivering what it should. And the ripple test catches a quieter killer, failing rectifier diode leaking alternating current into the battery, slowly cooking it. 2 tests, a minute each. And the real culprit has nowhere to hide. Coverage runs both voltages, 12 volts for the cars, 24 for trucks, buses, and the RV, which makes this a fleet tool at a pocket tool price. And because cold weather skews battery readings, the MA500 compensates for temperature automatically, so the number you read on a January morning is a number you can trust. Who keeps one of these? 4 people. The everyday owner, 1 5-second check before winter beats 1 tow truck in it. The used car buyer, clamp it on during the test drive, and the seller's battery is basically new, meets an actual number. The fleet manager, a whole yard walked and checked before the coffee's cold. And the shop, a free battery check at the service desk that regularly turns into an honest replacement sale. And yes, the iCarzone promise holds. Lifetime free software updates delivered over USB. No subscription, no activation fee, ever. From this little tester to our flagship tablets, it's the same one-line policy. Pay once, upgrade forever. The interface speaks English, German, French, Spanish, and Italian. The honest boundary, the MA500 test batteries and charging systems, that's its whole job. And it does not read engine fault codes. If a warning light is your problem, step up to the MA900, which adds OBD2 code reading on a bigger screen, or the MA200 series for full system diagnostics with bi-directional control. Links below. But for the #1 breakdown on the road, this is the specialist. The MA500 with lifetime free updates and lifetime technical support. 1 roadside call costs multiples of that and comes with the worst morning of your month. This is the cheapest insurance in motoring. 5 seconds once in a while against the breakdown that tops every chart. That click, 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 you'll hear it coming weeks away. That's the iCarzone MA500 against the #1 breakdown. Link and full specs below. If it just saved you a cold morning surprise, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you under the next hood. Your car, your zone.